Okay, so we're at a point now with the Z where the engine is almost ready to come in. First, these are the horizontal bars right here. This one, this is the bar that represents the front of the engine mount to a chassis jig, right here. And I got to move this one right over here because this is where my trans is going to mount onto that one. So when I first built this jig, I didn't exactly know where they were going to be, but I did know that I needed them. So I just kind of blindly put them in there in a roll of the dice guesstimation area. Probably not right. So I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna make it so they can slide around, and then when we go and put the engine in place, we'll be able to place them exactly where they need to be, setting the engine and trans in place exactly where they belong. We'll weld it down, be locked in and ready for the next stage. So I'm gonna make some sparks fly. This is what's next. So here we go.
Okay, first we bolt the bell housing to the trans. Whoa, yeah, buddy. Sponsorship placement for now. Let's do it. Let's turn it this way on the box.
I would. Like a glove. It's beautiful. So
there's Rob rubbing things again.
Two washers. Just to kind of hold it.
Keep going, let's go to here because that's machine flat.
I think this thing's probably more or less where it belongs, you know, front and back on the chassis jig, right? So we can kind of solidify it and put a center line on it and get the engine sort of squared up.
That's like an inch off the firewall.
Okay, so that's good then. This is gonna interfere, I think. And we're at the same height, so we haven't moved at all in that way.
Go forward just a bit more. Yeah, the heads are offset, so mine's closer than yours. Right there is probably good.
Yeah, so it's good. Should be good. Still looks good in the front. What do you think? Should we just attach this to this thing and then kind of set it down and then kind of center it properly?
We gotta tack these first.
Yeah. You get the welder over here.
Weld your upright first.
Yeah. Okay, just for the sake of it. Done.
A little bit of double-sided sticky tape, some panel bond like those other guys. Done.
Our hopes and dreams. That's pretty good. So sweet. That's a major step. That's a major step. Yeah, I mean, it's no big deal. Yeah, it's kid stuff, right?
This is me standing by. Cinematic man. Whoa.
Recap on what we accomplished in episode 4 of the Z files. Got the drivetrain in place. Got the engine and trans locked down on the jig. They found their home in this car. The next episode is going to be us fixturing the diff in the back. We're going to do a little tiny bit more sheet metal removal to open up all that area, and then we'll free and clear. We'll be able to start constructing the frame. If you guys are enjoying watching these episodes, because they are a lot of fun for us to make, you can help to support our channel, our company, by picking up one of these exclusive shirts. This is the first one. This is the Chapter 1 exclusive limited edition Z-Files shirt. We're hoping to do a new shirt directly related to this every month. And you can support us tremendously by picking one of these up at trickfactory.com. Probably link that in the description. So stay tuned for what's coming up, because it's going to get awesome from this point going forward.